How to fix couldn't load high-resolution image on Messenger issue step-by-step guide. Hey there. Have you ever been frustrated when Messenger just refuses to load that high-resolution image someone sent you? Don't worry, you're not alone, and I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you simple steps to fix this issue quickly and easily. Let's dive in. This problem usually happens due to connectivity issues, app glitches, or sometimes device settings. But don't stress. Here's how to fix it. Step 1. Check your internet connection. High-resolution images need a stable and fast connection to load properly. If you're on Wi-Fi, make sure it's working. If you're on mobile data, ensure you have sufficient signal strength and data balance. Step 2. Make sure your Messenger app is updated to the latest version. Open your App Store, search for Messenger, and click Update if it's available. Updates often fix bugs like this. Step 3. Clear the app cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps Messenger Storage, then tap Clear Cache. For iPhone users, you might need to reinstall the app if cache clearing isn't an option. Step 4. Check your device storage. If your phone is running low on space, it might struggle to load high-resolution images. Delete unnecessary files or apps to free up space. If none of these steps work, try logging into your Messenger account on another device to see if the problem persists. If it doesn't, the issue might be with your phone. Finally, if nothing works, report the problem to Messenger. Open Messenger, tap your profile picture, scroll down to Help, and then select Report a Problem. Provide as much detail as possible. And that's it. These steps should help you fix the couldn't load high-resolution image issue on Messenger. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.